In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out from Gcash. Before we begin, make sure your Gcash app is updated, your mobile data or Wi-Fi is stable, and you have enough balance for the amount you plan to send, plus any applicable fees. When you're ready, open the Gcash app and log in as you normally do. From the home screen, look for the Send option. This is the quickest way to move funds so you can cash out. Tap Send, and you'll see several ways to transfer money. You'll typically find options like Gcash account, which lets you send to another Gcash user, and Gcash Pedala, which lets you send to someone who may claim the money even without a Gcash account. You may also see Express Send, which is the streamlined way to send money using just a mobile number. If you choose Express Send, the process is straightforward. Enter the mobile number of the recipient who will receive the money for cashing out. Take a moment to double-check the number digit by digit. A single mistake can send funds to the wrong person. Once the number is correct, type in the exact amount you want to send. Make sure this matches what you intend to cash out, keeping any fees in mind. After entering the number and the amount, review the details on your screen. Confirm the recipient's number, confirm the amount, and look out for any notes about charges or limits. When everything looks right, tap Send to complete the transfer. The app will process your request and show a confirmation once it's successful. You should see a confirmation screen and may also receive a notification or text acknowledging the transaction. Keep that reference number or receipt inside the app. It's useful for tracking and for your records. If the recipient is using Gcash, the funds should appear in their wallet shortly. For Gcash Pedala, make sure the recipient follows the proper claiming process on their end. Accuracy of the mobile number and amount is especially important there. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Always verify the recipient's details ahead of time to avoid errors. Be mindful of any transaction limits that might affect how much you can send in a single transfer. If something seems off, cancel before confirming and re-enter the information. And if your connection is unstable, wait for a better signal to prevent duplicate transactions. That's it. Open Gcash, tap Send, pick the sending option that fits your situation, enter the recipient's number and the amount. Be and hit Send. You're all set to cash out smoothly and securely.